Hello and welcome to my channel. How to study in Hungary with scholarship, 2026. I will disclose all informations and guide step by step. This video is gem for student. 1. Choose a scholarship. The most popular scholarship is Benefits. Tuition fee fully covered. Monthly stipend, about €110 to €450 depending on level, free accommodation or housing allowance. Medical insurance. Many international students apply for this every year. 2. Choose a university. Some well-known universities in Hungary. 1. University of Debrecen. 2. University of Szeged. 3. EOTVO's Lorand University. And 4. Budapest University of Technology and Economics. You should select the course and university first. 3. Prepare required documents. Usually you need passport, academic certificates, matric, intermediate or bachelor, transcript, motivation letter, CV, recommendation letter, medical certificate. Study in Hungary without IELTS. Many universities allow admission without IELTS if your previous education was in English. You provide a medium of instruction, M.A.Z. certificate from your school, college. Or you pass the university's online English interview, test. So IELTS is not always mandatory. Hungary study visa process, step by step. Step 1. Apply to the university or scholarship. Step 2. Receive the admission letter. Step 3. Prepare visa documents. Passport, admission letter, accommodation proof, bank statement, health insurance. Step 4. Apply for student visa, residence permit through the Hungarian embassy. Step 5. Attend visa interview. If approved, you can travel to Budapest or your university city. Living cost in Hungary. Average monthly cost. Accommodation, €150 to €350. Food, €100 to €200. Transport, €30 to €50. Total, €400 to €700 per month. Work while studying. International students can work about 20 hours per week during studies. Hidden benefits of studying in Hungary, 2026. 1. Travel in Europe. Hungary is part of the Schengen area. This means students can easily travel to many European countries during holidays. Example countries you can visit: Germany, Austria, France, Italy. Many students travel around Europe while studying. 2. Work opportunities. International students in Hungary can work 20 hours per week during semester. Work full-time during holidays. Average student salary, €5 to €8 per hour. This helps students cover some living expenses. 3. Pathway to European career. After graduation, students can try to find jobs in Hungary or other EU countries. A European degree can help when applying for jobs in Europe. 4. Affordable European education. Compared to countries like United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Hungary has much lower tuition fees and living costs. 5. English taught programs. Many universities offer programs completely in English, so international students do not need to learn Hungarian immediately. Examples of universities: University of Debrecen, University of Szeged, EOTVO's Lorand University. 6. Scholarship extra benefits. Through the Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship, students may get free tuition, monthly stipend, accommodation support, medical insurance. This can significantly reduce the cost of studying abroad. Safe and student-friendly cities. Cities like Budapest, Debrecen, and Szeged are known for their international student communities and universities. Things most students don't know about Hungary's study visa. Examples: Travel across Europe. Low living cost. Scholarship benefits. Part-time work options. Germany Student Visa 2026. Why study in Germany? Germany is one of the best countries for international students. Benefits. Many public universities have very low or no tuition fees. High-quality education. Strong job market. Internationally recognized degrees. Popular cities for students: Berlin, Munich, Hamburg, Frankfurt. Types of Germany study visa. 1. Student visa, for students who already received a university admission letter. 2. Student applicant visa, for students who want to go to Germany first and apply to universities there. Best universities in Germany. Some well-known universities: Technical University of Munich, Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich, Heidelberg University, and RWTH Aachen University. Many public universities charge very small semester fees only. Germany Student Visa Requirements, 2026. You usually need valid passport, university admission letter, academic certificates, language proof, IELTS, TOEFL or German language certificate, health insurance, proof of accommodation, financial proof. Blocked account requirement. International students must show financial proof through a blocked account. Average amount, approximately 11,200 euros per year. This money is used for living expenses in Germany. Living cost in Germany. Average monthly expenses. Accommodation, 300 euros minus 600 euros. Food, 150 euros minus 250 euros. Transport, 50 euros to 100 euros. Total average, 850 euros minus 1,100 euros per month. Work while studying. International students can work 120 full days per year or 240 half days per year. Average student salary, 10 euros minus 15 euros per hour. Scholarships in Germany. Some famous scholarships: DAAD scholarship, Erasmus programs. These scholarships may cover tuition, living costs, and travel. Step-by-step Germany visa process. Step 1. Choose a university and course. Step 2. Apply through Uni Assist or directly to the university. Step 3. Receive the admission letter. Step 4. Open a blocked bank account. Step 5. Book visa appointment at the German embassy. Step 6. Attend the visa interview. Step 7. After visa approval, travel to Germany and apply for a residence permit. Hidden benefits. Opportunity to work in Europe after graduation. Strong passport travel benefits inside the Schengen area. Possibility to apply for permanent residence later. International career opportunities. I hope this video will very helpful for those who wants to go abroad for study. Please like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.